Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. Okay, so let's start a workout quickly. So let's say you have a workout going already and you want to stop it. You can do it by pressing the upper button to pause the workout. And then you have option to save your workout or discard it. Depending on which option you like, tap on it. I'm gonna discard it. And as you can see, I need to confirm by pressing the upper button. It will discard the workout and it will stop it basically. Like this. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face if you want to. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.